speak on an important issue. Sir, as we know, Santals are the largest homogeneous tribe in India. They are mostly inhabited in the states of West Bengal, Orissa, Jharkhand, Bihar, Assam and Tripura. Sir, Santal and other Sadivasi community profess and practice their own religion, Saridharam and Sadnadharam, since time immemorial. Sir, although the right to practice, profess and propagate our own religion as per Article 25 and 26 of the Constitution of India, yet the Santals and other Adivasi communities has not been yet allotted separate religion code for Saridharam and Sadnadharam. Sir, I would like to mention here that West Bengal Assembly has already introduced and approved a bill as per motion under Parliamentary Rule 185 for allotment of separate religion code Saridharam for Santal and Sadnadharam for other Adivasi community on 17 February 2023. Therefore, sir, I humbly request that in honor to the religious sentiment, Santals and other Adivasi community, please arrange for separate religion code Saridharam and Sadnadharam, and I also demand for separate column for Saridharam and Sadnadharam in the data collection form to be used in forthcoming census of India. Thank you, sir.